Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to view the desktop site in Edge on Android. So whenever you open any web page on your Android phone or in Edge app, it will load in the mobile site layout, which is mobile friendly. But if you want to load it in a desktop site or the desktop mode, what you can do is you can tap on these three bar options, and within here the options you have this option to view desktop site. Just select that and the page will reload and it will display how it load in the desktop. This is the desktop view which will appear on the desktop when you access the browser or .com on desktop or your computer. So if you want to switch back to the normal mode, what you can do is you can again tap on this three bar option and choose mobile site, and it will just reload the page, and once it is reloaded, and it will be switched back to the original mobile site view. So in this way you can enable the desktop site view in Edge app on Android. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.